That's how we found out, Lord, that you are a timeless God through your Spirit. And so we know, God, that we must give you praise because you are worthy of all the glory and the praise. Your ending wrapped up in your beginning. You were here before time began, and you'll be here long after time gone. It's you who made time for us to live in. You step in and out of time as you please. Only you deserve our praises, for you are timeless. You have no beginning and no ending. You are timeless. Yes, that's what you are. You are timeless. Jesus, have no beginning and no ending. You are timeless. Daddy God, that's what you are. We know of the beginning of mankind, but you were here before time. You have no beginning. You are forever lasting. It's you who made the fountains abounding. It's you who made the heavens and the earth and the seas. They obey your decrees, for you are timeless. You have no beginning and no ending. You are timeless. Jesus, that's what you are. You are timeless. You have no beginning and no ending. You are timeless, God. Jesus, that's what you are. You spoke the words, and all the world came into order. You raised the rain, and planet filled the empty skies. You blow your breath in man, and man became a living soul. Still you step down from heaven to earth just to make us whole. You are timeless, God. You have no beginning and no ending. You are the timeless God, Jesus. That's what you are. You are timeless. You have no beginning and no ending. Timeless. Yes, that's what you are. You are so sweet, Jesus. You are so real. You are so real. You are who you are. You said you are the I am. Whoa, that I am. You are. Yes, you are the timeless God. Ooh, Jesus, that's what you are.